How to fix unable to remove payment method. There is an active subscription error on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, check active subscription. For that, launch your settings. Now click on the Apple ID given at the very top. The phone options will appear. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Review your active subscription. If there is a subscription that you no longer want, tap it and cancel it. Once the subscription is cancelled, you should be able to remove your payment method. Or in the case you don't want to remove the subscription, what you can do is wait for active subscription to end. Then you can head back. Navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Now you can remove your existing payment. Then add a new one. With this, your problem might be resolved. If you are a part of family sharing, make sure there are no ongoing subscription linked to your account. Head back, navigate to the option of family sharing. Ask the organizer of your family sharing plan to cancel any subscriptions, or you may not be able to remove the payment method until they do. If the issue persists and you can't remove the payment method even after cancelling subscription, it's best to reach out the Apple support team. For that, launch your preferred browser, then type in support.apple.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here you can contact Apple support team. They can help resolve any lingering issues preventing you from removing the payment method. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the payment method from your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.